Alright, we should be live. Let me check to make sure the streams work. Am I on YouTube? I might be lagging just a teensy bit behind on YouTube, but let's check on Twitch. Twitch is perfect. Okay. Hello, BML42. Welcome to the stream. So, for those of you just dropping in, I had planned to stream myself working on... Oh, hello, the Brazilian guy. Just passing by to say hi. Well, welcome, and if you stick around... I don't know. I don't know what you say to that. Never mind. Thanks for passing by. I had planned to simply stream myself working on my latest game project. However, there's been a bit of a change of plan. You see, I was planning on joining a game jam. I thought it would be starting in a couple of days on my birthday, but it started today. Actually, yesterday. It started yesterday. So, we got the theme for the game jam, and I was like, okay, now what? I should probably put some work into the game jam project. So, boom, here we are. I'm working on that for a little while instead, and we'll switch to my other project later. Either way. Something's weird with... Oh, I see. Never mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna be working on Game Maker Studio while listening to whatever random NES music I can find here. This track is from Mappy Kids, but it gets really, really repetitive if I just listen to it forever. So, out of there. Let's put on... It'd be great if I had a shmup or something, because it's a shmup jam. I guess this'll do. Let me tune the volume a little. This is Roller Games. Alrighty, so I already got some preliminary work on this done. If I click this little button to start the game, you should be able to see that I have some placeholder graphics. Woo! I hope that comes up on stream. I think I set it up so that it would. Yeah, it does. It does. Okay. So it's very placeholder-y at the moment. Ooh, DMing. Have fun with that. So, let's see. The first thing I wanted to do was add an enemy that actually shoots at you. So, hello, Char Asnimal. Welcome to my developer stream. Holy Grail Wars, huh? Oh, is that like the Fate anime? It's like I only know a little bit about the Fate series. They have some weird characters. That's all I'll say. Later. Later, Brazilian guy. Okay. Equals... Give it some health. Does it need anything besides health? Maybe a color. I don't know how well everyone can see the text. You probably should be able to see it all right, actually. Let's just do this for now. Let's see here. Oh, I also wanted to grab some, coding from another thing, so I'll do that later. Touched. Collisions. Oh yeah, the player doesn't have a bullet yet. I can't believe I didn't make it so that the player couldn't shoot. Okay, let's take care of that too. It's like there's so many basic things that you gotta set up before you can even, like, get to designing stuff. So the theme of the jam is instability, and you know, the idea is whenever we get a theme for one of these jams, we can just interpret that however we wish. So, like, what does instability mean? That's up to me. I gotta do the hard part of figuring that out. And I think I got a couple of ideas. Let's do... That looks about right. Are these the right size? I guess they are. Oh, Tai Chi, huh? What is Tai Chi? It's a martial art, I think, right? I'm so, like, unknowledgeable here. Okay, I got it right. What should I set the speed to? Probably faster than that. That'll do. Oh wait, you put that first, yeah. And that means in this I should... Am I doing something wrong here? What do you mean the identifier can't be... What? Honestly, there are so many weird error messages in GameMaker. Okay, that should be fine. Let's go to our player and make it actually shoot. I use a variable for that, do I not? Yeah, there we go. We don't really need the array, do we? Well, I don't know anything about Worms Armageddon, but that sounds interesting if you're going as far as to create your own speech bank. Whatever that is. I think I can leave that blank and it'll be fine. Okay, let's put a couple of objects in the room and see how that worked. Just put it there, I guess. It appears something's not right here. Oh, wait a minute, I know what it is. Yeah, there's the problem. I'm doing something special with the draw events. Typically, I wouldn't need an actual draw event here, but there's a reason for that. Same thing goes here. Yeah, I need to actually go into the draw event and say draw self for it to work. Same goes for the enemy. Why isn't the little explodey particle appearing. Oh, right, I needed to add something else, too. Oh, yeah, it's simply because the thing is not being drawn. Of course. I guess it's a teensy bit annoying that I have to go into, like this event every time I want to add a new object to this. But when I make shmups, I usually don't use that many objects at all. Yeah, give me a moment. Enemy, and... there we go. There we go. You can shoot at things. Let's make this enemy shoot something back. I haven't tested bullets yet. Zero. Oh yeah, I probably don't have like audio from the prototype playing on stream. That's fine though. That way, in case I like break the sound, it won't explode anybody's ears. Hello, Zaplays. Welcome to my game dev stream. Working on a shmup. XY. I guess I'll make it a... well, actually, no, I'll put a variable there. What engine is this? Game Maker Studio 2.3, I think it is? Is there like an about? Yes, there is. You can't see that, can you? Oh, you can. Well, there's my Gmail for you all. I don't really mind it. Time in IDE, 14 days. I spent 14 days on Game Maker. I didn't know it tracked that kind of information. Okay. You know, it doesn't seem like that should really be in the About section, but, okay. Hey, my name is all over the novel I wrote, so whatever, right? This music is dreadful. Yeah, perfect. Programming is a different kind of language, really. Oh, why didn't I write down what all these do? I better just keep them in like a notepad thing. See, this should be that. Oh yeah. Is that the right number? Yeah, it is. This is Famicom Wars. I just booted up the Famicom Wars OST. Okay, let's see if this works. Well, it's making the firing noise. Okay, bullets weren't actually appearing. Did I just not see them? No, they weren't actually appearing, which is not good. Delay, bullet. Alright, delay. So I'm kind of working with some older codes here. I believe this should work. Don't need that. Where are the bullets? Is there something wrong with the bullet object itself? Oh, that might have something to do with it. It's not drawing itself. That'll be a problem. accidentally ending humanity is much more difficult than it seems. And yet more easier than it seems, so what do I know? But yeah, it's a good thing game dev is so widely available now, because, like, I get to do this kind of stuff. I'm really confused. Keyboard clacking intensifies, yes. It's almost like the delay object isn't even appearing. Oh, you know, they did change like a bunch of stuff, so let me look at that again. Because like when I first made a shmup, it was with the original Game Maker Studio, and like there's like a drastic difference now. Namely that this doesn't actually... Ugh. That explains it. The function name was incorrect. Yeah, SRPG Studio is a great thing. I made a game with it, as you know. Yeah, actually, I'll just keep all of that the same for now. Still nothing. Let's see if this appears in the center of the screen, right? Yeah, it does. These cubes are rejecting violence. They refuse to fire circles at squares. Whew. Maybe I'm, Okay, comment this out. Why don't I just do this for now? I bet I need to do something like this too, because... So just in case. I wonder what's actually stopping them from appearing. I'd like to know. I bet I know. If they're just outright not appearing, then... Less than 32 frames. Oh, he needs that line. Everyone knows from Geometry Dash that the real natural predator of squares are triangles. I guess we doing triangles now. Okay, this is a conundrum. Why aren't my bullets actually appearing? This works fine. See, the player works fine. All of that works fine. I guess that means it's time for a different OST. Yeah, I feel like it. Might as well play the other Intelligent Systems game music. But if you give them proper weapons, they'll never achieve geometrical world peace. How far a delay is there? Yeah, Fire Emblem. You got it. I guess it is better to do it this way. Which square will be the Jagan? Probably whichever one wins the battle instantly. Except, like, you don't get rewarded for it at all. I swear Jagans were a mistake. Well, not Jagans themselves, but, like... Oh yeah, and all of this has to be... Yeah, I suppose it doesn't really matter. Okay, that means I need to go into this object and add a bunch of stuff to it. I like how easy it is to use GameMaker. The only thing is, every time they, like, swapped around their infrastructure or changed a function here and there, you have to, like, reorient your brain. Oh, I didn't know you could do this with your color. Huh. There's something I didn't even know that you could do. Just do like an 8-digit number for your colors instead of having to find out like what color you were looking for or whatever. I see, you can like make yourself a little interface here. That's really cool. Come to think of it, I don't think I'm even limited to 2. I'm probably still limited to 2, actually. Let's see if that did it. Still no. Let's see if something's going wrong here. What does this one do again? Instance change. It doesn't look like anything weird happening. Yes, my variable names are weird. Let me catch up with chat. Apparently Mozart is here. Aren't you dead? Like, the third track is the ending music, really? Let me just scroll through these. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. What happens if I just, like, drag a bullet into the scene here? Oh, okay, never mind. Do that instead. Okay, so there is an actual bullet object. The sprite's not applying correctly, it seems. Yeah, it's probably good that I'm getting this out of the way because there's a better way to do it anyway. Let's see, sprite ID. Maybe the better thing to do is to... You know, the better thing to do is probably to just not use instance change. So, like, comment this stuff out for now. Oh, believe me, I've tried fixing one thing and had everything break as a result. It's very possible. I'm probably just, like, confusing myself big time here. Wait a second. Oh, I know what went wrong. Yeah, that's what went wrong. Okay. I literally just thought of it. It's always the last thing you think about, so all of that was okay. Is Contra a shmup? It's certainly not, like, vertical. There we go. It kinda works. The bullets are not drawing their mask for some reason. Okay, so that's fine. At least that code is probably, like, cleaner now. So the question is, why isn't the bullet, Oh, that's why. Control. Get all this for me, please. I leveled up! I think that should do it. Oh yeah, that does it. We have bullets. Okay, now we need to make those bullets hurt the player. Shame I had to spend time, like, working with old code, but it'll do. Okay, so... collision with bullet. Where is the... There you are. Basically, any shooter where you're constantly moving falls under the shmup category. Now, if you're dodging and not moving forward, that's a bullet hell? No, not really. You know, you do shoot things in Contra, but the thing is, it's a side-scroller, so it's more like a platform shooter. Actually, you know what? If Cuphead counts as a shmup, then so does Contra, so never mind. But, like, not moving forward, that doesn't really make it a shmup. I gotta turn on the invincibility frames. Yeah, I gotta set the invincibility timer, that's what I gotta do. Three seconds of invincibility. We also need to, like, create a, wave of explosive objects. That does it, I think. Right. We've got trouble. There. That's better. Okay, I think I'm going to take a break from the code and do a UI element. How should I do it, though? Probably just the usual way. Let's see, this should be... I only need it to be about... that size. Actually, I don't even need to be... it needs to be that size. Do I? I do. I don't like working within this, sprite editor, really. But I don't have, like, paint.net in the little, OBS thing. Make a UI that no one will ever understand or be able to use properly, like the Scrap Doom 4 build, where the HUD makes less than no sense. If I wanted that, I would just play Daggerfall. Hee. Throwing shade. What's a good song from the OG? That's the final map. That is a good song from the original, I'd say. Come to think of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now all I need to do, I think, is... I could probably just, like, crop this, right? Not quite. Huh. Okay, you know what? It's gonna be way easier if I just, like, use a grid or something. Yeah, I'm more comfortable with, like, paint.net or something, so I'm gonna open that up. So my apologies, nothing's gonna happen on your screen for the next couple seconds or so. You know, I can't believe they got music like this working on the NES. And we just never knew about it because, oh, Japan only, you're not getting the cool games. Well, calling anything made by Shozo Kaga cool is just a small stretch in my opinion. Let's see, those work. What color should the UI be? Probably need the corners too, so... The NES was capable of a lot. A great example of the NES sound chip, excuse me, at its finest is Super C's first area theme or anything the Castlevania games did. Yes, definitely, especially Castlevania 3 in Japan because of the disc system. If you've never heard that, I highly recommend it. Or heck, if you've never heard it, I could put it on right now. Especially if, this track is blank. There's a blank track there in the Fire Emblem OST. Oh wait, I think you'd find it other Akumajo. Wait a minute, is it even gonna work on this player? Akumajo Special? That's a thing! Akumajo Special. It's probably under C for Castlevania. Oh, yeah. Now you get... This player doesn't work with the disc system OSTs. So you just lack the main melody. Castlevania music is sometimes copyrighted. Well, I'm completely safe with this then. I'll just let this roll. It's perfect, I tell ya. It takes on a whole new flavor like this, I'd say. What's your favorite FE recruitment theme? Let's see. There's the one from FE1, which was remixed in Smash Melee, so that has a lot of memory to it for me. Or nostalgia. The one from Sacred Stones also has nostalgia, but it's not as good. So, yeah. I actually don't know the recruitment themes all that well past Awakening, because I can't even remember if Awakening even had a recruitment theme. I guess Awakening would have had to have one. Okay. Enough fooling around. My apologies for, like, not doing this in the actual editor. But now it's done. Awakening was pretty much the last one to have a recruitment theme outside of Valentia. Does Valentia even have one, though? Whenever you recruit someone, it just goes... I can like, show that, actually. Because when you recruit somebody in Gaiden, doesn't it just, Not that... Yeah, there it is. It just does this whenever you recruit somebody, right? Valentia has a remake of Gaiden's recruitment theme, but it's literally just... No, that's leveling up. It's literally just that. As far as I know, unless this enemy phase theme is part of it. Gaiden's music is good, though. Okay, they made an actual theme in Shadows of Valentia. That's another point in its favor. Okay, now that we've got our tiles set... Oh, shoot. I think it'll be fine. If we put the tile layer up here... Where does this tile need to go? It needs to go... First of all, I can get rid of this. Where am I drawing the surface at? $640 minus 360, which is like 280. I guess we'll see how that looks when we actually get in. Oh, I forgot something. Why does it do this? It's always like there's a blank tile there. Okay, so I have to actually go into the tile thing again. Canvas size, canvas size. Ugh. There, it's fine now. Just have to redraw a couple of things. At least the tile set thing has improved, but these days, I much prefer using an external program to do the tile set stuff. Let's see if that does it. Fairly decent. Borders are just a little bit uneven. Okay, let's edit the grid. Can you edit that? I seem to remember that you could, like... Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's way too purple. I should probably, like, I wish I could, like grab all of these and just, Alright, let's lower the room size a little bit. Will the tile selector please go away? Thank you. I need to do some math, it seems. Huh. Oh, okay, this is the correct size. We're good. Yeah, a Fire Emblem player doing math. Woo! Okay, the fact that it's completely black is probably a huge issue, so let's lighten it up a little. Give us, for now, we'll just give it a nice color. Let's see if the contrast is way worse or better. Well, once we get a real background in, it's gonna look so much better. Because I like this already, even if the window size is just like a smidge strange, because it's not gonna be exactly 16:9. What I should do is grab this. Okay, how about this so it's not as pixely? Improving the color is still not that great, though. Thanks for watching, Zap Plays. See you later. We need a much brighter color, I think. Okay, maybe like this bright lavender is just not what I'm looking for. Let's give it a slight pink. All those years of playing Mario Paint has helped out drastically with my pixel art, I must say. Better, I want to say? At least the eyes aren't bleeding. Okay, let's go for one more try with this. I think we are getting there. Let's see, what else can we do here? You can turn off that for one thing. That's better. When they remixed this in Smash Brothers, it was the best thing ever. Maybe the pink is actually too bright after all. Is there a color replacer tool? I don't think there is. Okay, I think that's solid. A little more adjustment and it'll be perfect. Of course, you know, it's going to depend on what set of eyes is actually looking, so... Alright, so the game theme is unstable. May have to make adjustments as I go. Well, that's to be expected. If Zaplays had asked what my favorite almost winning theme was, this would definitely be it. So, I think it's time to give the enemy a proper sprite. So what I'm gonna do is... Where is that? Oh yeah, I have to go into, like, this weird folder. Yeah, this has got to be the correct one. the player. So the enemy. So if I just drop this in, what happens? Oh. What? What error? Wait, what was that? Detect hit. Draw event for object bullet. What? What? Did I misname the variable? Wait a minute. Huh. I'm using a with statement. That's a little strange. Let's see here, with statement. Well, if Castlevania music is going to be copyrighted, I wonder what we should listen to now. There is... I guess there's this. Do. Oh, because it's... Oh, it's not doing the create event. That's the reason. No point defining a variable in the create event if it's just not going to be there. That makes better sense. Of course, now with this, to go here and... Okay, let's create a texture for this enemy, shall we? I'm gonna use paint.net again. Sorry guys, you don't get to see the art in progress. Oh, right. Okay, I'm just gonna see how this looks in with the graphical effect that I put out there. Tile sense. No. Go back. Go back. Ugh. Oh, I accidentally closed the chat. I'll get around to, yeah, if you posted anything in chat in the last 5 seconds, you'll have to resend it. I didn't see it. My bad, guys. Okay, let's see how that looks. I probably want to change this too, come to think of it. Darker color. That's intriguing. Of course, the sprite width is messing with it. Let's do that. Okay, that looks weird. What was the height of the thing originally? The endlessly spinning enemy, yes. Okay, let's see here. Trying to remember how all this works, because, like, I can't just pop it open and instantly know. First I need to do that. Let's see what this does. Oh! Nope, not what I was looking for. How big is this anyhow? I need to make it, like, stretch wider a little bit, I think. Oh, do I turn it around, maybe? Nope, that's not it. Alright, you guys can kind of see what I'm going for, though. Let me try and get the sizing correct, at least. Now, something's wrong with it, actually. Something's wrong that I hadn't noticed before. Oh well. Oh, I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. It's nothing in here. Well, mostly nothing. That's because I'm using like two different variables for the same... I'm using the same variable for two different things. That's what I was doing wrong. Should have checked. That ought to fix it. Well, when I put the variable in the actual thing, at least. That makes much better sense. So the only thing missing from this enemy is the bottom part. I need to try and get that to work. Ooh, a bot. On my Twitch, anyway. Is there a way to, like, click and remove it? Ah, there it is. Bot gone. I'll be sure to do that next time. I'm putting on some music from Mega Man. I hope this isn't copyrighted. Go figure. If it is, oh well, I guess. So I think if I copy and paste all of this, it should be fine. Oh yeah, we're getting close. Where is the... Oh, it says bolts are being drawn before the enemy. Draw order, very important. In fact, this should be there too. So what I believe we have to do here is take this. Okay, what's it complaining about? There we go. Now, how does that look? I got the enemies thing working right. I suppose the texture could be touched up in a couple spots, but that looks pretty good. How's the hit detection? Perfect. Really perfect. BML, are you watching this? I'm gonna make all the enemies look like that. How's the hit detection? Yeah, that's a hit. That's a hit, that's fine. That's a hit. Hit detection's looking pretty solid. I think it could spin faster, though. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's see. Enemy, check. Player, check. I just need a player sprite. Let's see if a circular hitbox makes it weird at all. Doesn't look like it. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. Where is the... I'm going to go on break for a couple of minutes to get something to drink, and we're at the halfway mark for my usual stream time, so I think what I'm going to do is switch over to my other game project after this. So we'll see how that goes. I'll be right back. As soon as I put this in a place where you can see it. Crude, but effective. Alright, be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so that's enough of the Bullet Jam game for now. They can't see that, can they? No, they can't. Probably should make sure of what you can and cannot see before I actually open windows like that. What folder? Ah, there it is. Now I'm going to show you the big project that I have been working on for a couple months. So I believe we're not going to need this music. I'm actually going to run the game. I'm not sure if it will simply show up. It is not showing up, so... Oh, there it is. Okay. The music is pretty loud, though. I'm gonna tune that down just a moment. I don't think you guys can hear it yet. Drag that down somewhat, and I have to add it to the little capturing thing. Or do I? It says it's added already. Can you guys actually hear it? Ah, no problem, BML. I figured, like, as long as you're there. Just in case you want to, like, hurt the bots for me. So you guys could hear the game audio all along. Well, alright then. I don't know how laggy or not laggy this is going to be. I've noticed that when I play this, when I have YouTube open, then it causes, like, lag spikes, and I don't know why. So, now I guess I'll just jump right in and start playing stages. So I need to first change my deck a little. So this is a cross between a card game and a Metroidvania with, like, I guess you could say Mario 64 elements. It's really weird. I basically wanted to make Mega Man Network Transmission, and this is the result. Let's see here. What else is in the deck at the start? I want to give myself the starter deck, which I think is just this. There's also this wacky equipment system. I guess there should be like a button to instantly take off equipment. Yeah, that'll go on my to-do list. Because you can't press that button, you can't press that button. So, BML has seen plenty of this already. I'll go ahead and put these on. There. So let's see how this goes. The music is a new addition. It's original compositions by me. Whoops. Wrong button there. So I've tested this stage at length. I can't really imagine it freaking out on me, but you never know. That's good. You can actually take out that enemy very quickly now. I wish music looping was easier in Game Maker, but I guess I'll just have to handle that manually. There's also charge attacks if you hold the button down. I'm not sure if I want to keep them at the moment. Bit of a puzzle here. You have to hit this card from below. Make it so you can actually, whoops. Just barely missed it. You hit it twice and you can get up there. So you're not actually stopped from going behind the curtain, so I'm really not sure if, like, I should just keep it this way, or maybe have the curtain do something extra. Oops. There we go. That card might be a little strong. Yeah, everything's running smooth. I guess, you know, I was afraid that the frame rate was going to drop because I was streaming, but apparently it's only if I'm running a YouTube video that it lags. Like, based on past experience with it. Or I just managed to optimize the code and everything's, like, nice and good now. The hands don't disappear when the hat goes away. That's a bit of a problem. Well, there's no stutter, which is actually a really good sign. No outstanding issues that I've seen either. Whoops. I need a couple of those, actually. No frame drops at all. I am surprised. Wait, no, don't do that yet. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, that's a problem. The victory music is weird. Now that I don't have an explanation for. So exit out of that. I'm gonna see if I can fix that issue straight away. Maybe something weird happened when I converted the file. Yeah, that is my new project, so anybody who's seeing it for the first time, let me know what you thought. Let's see, go into this. Wait, no. Convert. Yeah, I'll say it's starting to shape together. Yeah, go ahead. Right and overwrite. Okay, sounds. There's a ton of music in here already. Oh yeah, I should be finishing up like an entire new album too, so that'll be really great if I get it working. Of course, I gotta do art for it and everything. I gotta name all the tracks, stuff like that. Now, I don't know if you guys heard that. Okay, let's see if the tracks are still bugged. So the lag issue that I was having only seems to apply if I'm running a YouTube video at the same time, which is really strange. But it's the only consistent thing. YouTube, stop being awful. Now that's an impossible challenge. Ow. As is my no damage run, apparently. I thought I reduced her hitbox. I'm going to take the other path through the castle, actually. Because I made all the stages have multiple paths. You just seem to be able to slide up the stairs now. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. It's probably good, because it, like, adds to the charm. Alright, it was also lagging when I was sharing it on Discord, wasn't I? Wasn't it? Yeah. Which made sense to me. But streaming it is, like, fine. Weird. I guess, you know, it might be possible if, with a particular card to, like, get over that wall and just go, like, outside the map boundary. That'd be weird. Maybe a little fun. But I don't know what you would find over there. Ooh, secret level idea, maybe. This place is packed with enemies, I gotta say. Might want to lighten it a little bit. Where am I? Oh. What's this lever for? That's weird. I just have a lever there. Did I forget to, like, put a curtain? Or... Huh. It's just there. Well, that's a little strange, but no matter. Just barely missed it. There we go. Not letting that thing annoy me in the boss fight. Oh, careful. Ow. There goes my no-hit. Okay, that is really weird. What is wrong with the audio? The victory theme just doesn't work. Well, what could have happened here? Like, because the regular stage music is just fine. Okay, compressed 16-bit. etc. Well, all the settings are the same. I guess check the object that plays it then. Where is it? This is drawing stuff. This is stuff. That's the camera. That's the audio stop all. Yeah, I really don't know. I've never really had this issue before. Okay, I'm gonna put the victory jingle in the sound test and see if I can't figure this out. Temporarily, of course. Now it's fine? That is strange. It's fine here. It's fine there. That's weird. The woes of game dev. You don't know a thing about what's actually going wrong. Oh. Maybe it just needs to not be compressed? Or is it because it's... I don't know what streamed means. Set these to uncompressed and see what happens, maybe. Time to run the stage again! Oh yeah, BML, you haven't seen this, by the way. I made the tents different colors. I suppose if I feel compelled to actually attack the enemies, that's a good sign, because fighting is fun then. Maybe I should think about disabling the enemies that can actually, like, slip into the fight. Unique collisions? Yeah, that could probably be a good idea. No, that's weird. I'm really confused. Well, regardless. BML, you haven't seen this new feature either. And you won't today, it seems. Okay, so that's strange. Oh, I bet I know what it is. Do this, and... Yeah, it's because I changed how drawing stuff works. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, what else am I here for besides debugging, right? Go into this, I think. Maybe the error isn't big as I think. Let's see. Shoe, head, hat. I guess there's no reason for this particular line, because everything else is being drawn. Yeah, okay. Yeah, perfect. You can change clothes now. I'm wearing it all the time. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I don't think I made any other hats or things like that. Yeah, I don't think I made it possible to acquire any other hats at the moment, but they are in the game. You've seen that. Oh, what was that? Huh. This is weird. Oh well. As you can see, I have a differently colored hat now. It clashes horribly with her dress, but we'll fix that when I start making the other clothes available. Sometimes a couple weird things can happen with slopes as well. That's gotta be weird. I'll take it, though. Sometimes I'll like, see a weird quirk of the mechanics and I'll think, you know, maybe I should keep that because it's more fun. Even in programming, you can find emergent gameplay or something like that. And yeah, that jingle's got a problem with it too. I don't think that problem is a particular feature myself. I really don't understand what's wrong with the music though. Oh well. Well, I'm not gonna worry about it for now. Just switch up the deck a little bit here. And on to the next stage. I guess I'll demo that while I'm here too. This one I want to be wary of lag with. So let's see how it goes. I can't get the items because they're in the floor. That's unfortunate. See, there's a trick to get over there, I think. Ah, yeah. You actually have to use the sliding trick. I want to see if I can get over there. Ooh. Just had to get the timing right. This is probably easier with like a D-pad or something. I've got a control stick myself. Oh yeah, easier with a D-pad. If ever there was an argument to be made for D-pads, I think we just found it. Damage boost you need to get up there, I guess. Should I be going this way? Well, there's a chest up there. I think I should be going this way. Let's see if these platforms still work. Seems like they do, and there's not even any lag. Oh, that's weird though. Huh. That's a little on the odd side. There, I was looking for the healing card. There we go. I was looking for that. Did I accidentally hit those enemies from, like, outside the arena? Wow. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I still need to fix that. Still, that stage didn't lag at all. That's really good. Okay, I'm gonna see what... I'm gonna get to the bottom of the thing. So, instead of MP3 format, I'm gonna try... Let's see, it has FLAC, it has CD, whatever that is. OGG. GameMaker should more than support OGG format. Okay, I'll give that a go. I should also try and get the star for, like, having 100 star gems. Can't exactly get up there. I know I've got something in here that can help, and I just got it. There we go. Maybe I put too many blue chests in the early areas. They should have low rarity, so there's that. Oh. Come back here. That's more like it. Does this thing work? I gotta see. Come here. It kinda does. Well, for a little while anyway. Could probably use better hit detection on the dice, I think. I'm actually shuffling at the midway points now. I don't normally do that. I hope that's enough enemies. Come on. Maybe she should have, like, more interesting projectiles, because there's, like, way more that I could use besides the same old electric attacks. Wow, something must be... Oh, I know what it is! I know what it is! It just clicked in my head what the problem was. Yeah, that was my idea, to just throw out whatever I could at the player that would work with that sprite size. Okay, so you want to know what I just realized the issue was? The issue is that I have the code. Where is it? Step. This is in the step event, so it's trying to play the victory music on every frame. Okay. If is playing and boom, problem solved. And I guess I will make this one loop. What should we do in case of a game over? It's not supposed to loop. I suppose if I do this, it should be fine. Yeah, that should do it. That should have clicked way sooner, but it never does for unknown reasons. So yeah, nothing was wrong with the file or anything. It was just me forgetting what I was doing. Oh, now I'm getting lag. Wow, where's this lag spike coming from? There's like nothing interesting on the screen. That was weird. I guess it can happen on occasion. Tried to be clever about hitting her. That's better. That's much better. Okay, so I'm not sure why there was a lag spike in the middle of the stage. I might need to check for data leaks. Oh yeah, now there's a frame rate drop here too, but like nothing's here. I bet I need to check for like data leaking stuff because I use several. Oh, I left an enemy here. I was debugging it. Yeah, I just so happened to get a card off of it. I left that enemy there for debugging purposes. It's no biggie. Anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed this preview of my project. I think I'm gonna stop now. It's been 3 hours. I spent more time on the Game Jam shmup. Probably should have started with this project, because this is something that I've been working on for a couple months, and it's really come a long way in such a short amount of time. I'm always happy to, like, show off my work, and I hope it'll interest people when, I eventually put this out. Like, as soon as I have 5 stages, I think I will do a demo of the game with a video and everything, so. Hope everyone enjoyed today's random game dev stream. My birthday is in 2 days, so I decided to make it a little different, and I hope everyone had a chill time. So, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next week for more Ace Attorney. And there's still Dragon Age videos to upload, and then a new playthrough is going to start. So, yeah, thank you for being here, BML. You have a good night, too. I mean, I'll probably talk to you later, but... See you later, everyone. I'll go ahead and stop now. Everybody, have a good night. I'll find where OBS is eventually, I swear. Its icon is right here. Alright, for real.